आई एम लाइक अ मीम गर्ल. तो जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा सैड फील कर रही होती हूँ ना, मेरे सडनली मेरे दिमाग में ना कोई मीम वाला कंटेंट आता है कि यार हाँ उस मीम में ना ऐसा, एंड इट जस्ट लिफ्ट्स माय मूड. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another YouTube video. So आज की video is going to be a bit different because today I am going to talk about positivity, and the video is all about how to stay positive, optimistic, and recently I have made a lot of changes in my lifestyle for a good, and I can see the changes. And not only me, I also got the same compliments, and also like people also noticed that for me, and they were like, Bhavna, how you stay this much positive and happy all the time? And I always say that it's a lifestyle which you need to maintain, and once you start doing some of the things which can help you to become optimistic if you are not, or maybe more positive, like you are thinking good, you are feeling good, you are laughing, you are smiling, and you are seriously happy. I'm just going to talk about 6 most important points according to me from which you can start. And so before I start with the points, let me just put a disclaimer that I am not a professional and I am just sharing my personal experience, because let's just be honest, we all have the same problems and we all go through the same shit. I know, I accept it. So I feel maybe the things which have worked for me, it might also work for you if you need them. And now another disclaimer is that I will try to make the rest of the video in Hindi because I got so many feedbacks कि हिंदी में वीडियो होनी चाहिए. But again guys, it's because I also have people who are not from India and they don't understand Hindi. That's why I just try to mix both the languages. So let's just start finally. The first point is that a positive mindset is very important. How do you get it? So let me just give you an example. You have given an exam, okay? और उसका रिजल्ट अभी अवेटेड है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स व्हाट वी डू कि हमारे दिमाग में ना, दिस इज ऑटोमेटिक, हमारे दिमाग में ना ज़्यादातर नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स ही आते हैं कि अरे क्या होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. बट व्हाट आई थिंक कि अगेन एवरीथिंग इज इन फ्यूचर. मतलब अभी तक वो चीज़ हुई नहीं है. वी आर जस्ट अज्यूमिंग थिंग्स. सो इवन वेन यू अज्यूम थिंग्स, वाई नॉट टू थिंक गुड, वाई नॉट टू थिंक पॉजिटिव कि हाँ मतलब मैंने ये चीज़ करी है और रिजल्ट अच्छा ही होगा, और अगर अच्छा नहीं भी होगा, it's okay, maybe you will learn something. Focus on what you are doing and be confident with yourself कि ठीक है, जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा. Just have this kind of mindset. And I always look for the silver lining in everything. When you are dealing with a situation, उस situation में रह के everything looks bad. Once you are out of that situation and you look back, मतलब let the time pass. For example, 3-4 महीने बाद, when you look back, you understand, okay, this was the reason why this thing happened and why it was that much needed that time, So in this point, I would like to add कि कुछ दिनों पहले I read a quote which was very beautiful, and so it's like not everything is happening to me but for me, which we might not realize now. लेकिन कुछ टाइम के बाद you will realize it that whatever happened for a reason. The point is, don't take everything personally, which means कि if something happens, for example relationship के case में, not only relationship, also friendships, also anything which includes that you are interacting with others, like you are in a social circle and then you are interacting. कि हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि अरे this thing happened, इस इंसान ने मेरे साथ ये कर दिया, उसने ये कर दिया, तो now I am done, क्योंकि मैंने तो अपनी तरफ से सब करा था, फिर भी पता नहीं उसको क्या मेरे बारे में अच्छा लगा, क्या नहीं लगा. Don't think this much guys. If somebody is not good with you, it's their nature, it's the reflection of their personality and not yours. तुम्हारी तरफ से you have done everything, but still if the things are not working fine, so it means you are perfect, you are the most beautiful and perfect human being in this whole world. It's just about them. They are not sure, they are insecure about some specific things, and it has to do nothing with you. So don't take things personally, and once you will stop taking it personally, you will see कि things are not bothering you. Now it's up to that person. If that person appreciates it, if not, then it might be their own insecurities, and you cannot do anything about it. You can just suggest that person to work on yourself, that's it. An important point according to me is to work on yourself constantly. Know your worth. You should seriously understand कि मैं किस तरीके का पर्सन हूँ, एंड इवन इफ यू थिंक, जैसे हम एक इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करते हैं खुद के बारे में कि हाँ यार ये ऐसा सिचुएशन में मेरा ऐसा एक्शन था, मेरे से गलती हो गई, ये हो गया, इट्स ओके, वी ऑल मेक मिस्टेक्स, इट्स ओके। और मैंने तो बहुत करी है, अभी भी कर रही हूँ, बट दिस इज़ हाउ वी लर्न, सो इट्स ओके। इट्स जस्ट दैट इवन इफ यू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट अबाउट थिंग्स एंड यू थिंक दैट हाँ मेरी तरफ से ये चीज़ गलत थी और मेरे को ये चीज़ चेंज करनी चाहिए, डू इट, वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ। इट्स ओके टू एक्सेप्ट योर फ्लॉज, दैट ठीक है उस टाइम पे आई वॉज नॉट सेंसिबल इनफ, बट नाउ आई एम and I want to work on myself, you know, simply I want to work on myself. Even before, if I didn't do things correctly, this time I want to make sure that I will do them in a correct way. And ये सब चीज़ें किसी और के लिए नहीं, खुद के लिए करनी है. Improvise yourself. You have so many videos, YouTube videos and so on, blah blah blah. Just start from somewhere, you know, and once you will do that, you will understand that ठीक है कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम पहले हुई, नाउ आई एम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन एंड आई विल वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ एंड थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू वर्क इन माई फेवर. एंड वंस यू हैव दैट माइंड सेट, वंस यू आर एन इम्प्रोवाइज पर्सन, you will just see miracle around you, that's for sure, I bet you. The fourth point is that don't rely on anyone else and create your own happiness, create your own happiness, because it's very important. Don't give this power to someone else. You give the remote control of your emotions to someone else. There are very less people who are going to use it in a right way. They are mostly, all of them are going to manipulate you because they know कि आप उन लोगों से बहुत प्रभावित हो. You are very much dependent on them. You are very much dependent on their approval. And if they will approve, then only you will feel happy. But it should not be like this. If you are alone, you are still supposed to be very much content, very much happy with yourself. The next point is that meditate, pray. If you believe in God, only then. Read a book, work on yourself, write journals, work on your energy because it's very important, I feel. And energy एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जिसको सब लोग feel कर सकते हैं. You talk to someone and you just feel so good talking to them. They will just make you feel so good, and वो उनकी बातें ही नहीं होती, वो उनकी energy होती है. Because people who are very much, you know, optimistic in life, who have good energy, who are taking care of them, they have a different kind of energy. And people who are kind of very low, even if they don't say something, you will just get the energy, you will get the negativity with you. Basically, the points I mentioned about meditation, reading a book and so on, the most important thing here to notice is that focus on the offline things, not on the online things. So earlier I used to be, you know, like talking all the time online with friends and so on. It is also helpful, but I personally realized that this is how it worked for me, that offline चीज़ें करना is very important. Concentrate on what's good and what's important for you. And you know, ये सब चीज़ें ना directly you will not notice the change in one day, but if you will keep on maintaining your routine, your aura will upgrade. You know, seriously, people will feel that energy कि यार कुछ तो change हुआ है इस person में. This person is just radiating from inside, from the inner side. You know, it's not just about कि बाहर से radiating, you will just radiate from the inner self. So it's very important. And also मतलब ठीक है, सबका अलग तरीका होता है ये सब चीज़ें करने का. If this is not working out for you, try to find what's working out for you and try to do that. So it's just try to be curious about yourself. And now the last but not the least, the sixth point, and according to me the most important point, is appreciate yourself. Appreciate yourself for each and everything you have done right. You criticize yourself a lot कि अरे यार ये चीज़ अच्छे से नहीं करी, ये चीज़ मैं बेटर कर सकता था, ये वो. And that is also very important, I would say, क्योंकि जब तक आप एक सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं करोगे तो you won't realize कि मैं क्या चीज़ में अभी भी अच्छा हो सकता हूँ या अच्छी हो सकती हूँ. तो I understand it's very important to criticize, but at the same time most of the people forget to appreciate themselves for even, I don't know, for the tiniest thing they have done correctly. you know, so it's also very important. So these two things should go hand in hand. Example ki you are supposed to wake up at 7 in the morning, and next day you seriously woke up at 7 in the morning without taking 5 more minutes to sleep. That is also, you can just pat like this, that yes, today I did that. So it's just about all the small things you can do to make yourself feel motivated, to make yourself feel appreciated, not by someone else. Because again, it's not that all these things can be noticed by someone else. ये इतनी छोटी छोटी चीजें होती. These were my 6 points which according to me is very important, and let me know what you guys think about it, and I would like to hear from you guys in the comments and whatever you want to share. और मे बी कि अगर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ होगी जो कि मैं अभी नहीं कर रही हूँ, I would like to do it for myself as well, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself or keep on working on yourself. Stay happy, stay hydrated, and stay optimistic, and always try to have a big smile on your face like this. And I'll see you in my next video now. Bye, take care, ciao.